Hey guys, I'm gonna do a period kit. Mine doesn't have anything in right now. Just because I'm gonna show you like 2 different ways, or 3 different ways. I'm sorry, how to do it. And I'm just gonna be getting it from my stash, which is this, and it's all over the place again. Okay. So, if you're just starting, you're gonna probably want to use pads first. So I would put 2 Always Infinity in. So Always Infinity. These are really old samples, but that's okay. And then I would put 1, these are pre-opened by the way, because this is what I take to school. I don't really care if you're going to see bacteria, but I know it's safe. That's no deal. So, Always Slender, and I have colors running on it, and so I just put that in here. Now, as you can see, mine doesn't do that. Okay. Doesn't fit it, but that's okay. Because you can always like snug it in like that. Okay. Now, just in case that your period is heavy, you could put an Always Infinity Heavy, and also Natal Codex Creamer. And then there's that. And then that should get you through the school day. So, and then also this. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get. Yes, in this, I just say something because somebody had it before me. A relative. So, they put the book bag, guys. Yeah. Alright. So, that's what you're gonna see in that. But then, if you go later, I'd put, hold on, I'll show that. Okay, 5, because I'm gonna get more dark liners in them, but I wouldn't put them, these ones like that in there. But these are gonna get really unsanitary after a while. So I put like the little ones, which I have downstairs, so when I'm in my period, I do bring them, but I usually wear these ones everywhere. But yeah, okay. So let me take all these out, and then I'm going to show you what to do with a tampon mixer, which I am. I really use pads. Okay. So I like the Codex, but they end up starting hurting me. So I'm trying to get rid of them, and then so I have 2 regular and 2 super. So the 2 in the middle are super, and 2 of the inside ones are regular. And there's a line left in here. Okay. And then I put 3 Tampax Pearls regular. And then I'd put 3 Polaroid Explorer regular, and I'd put 2 Tampax Supers. Now, there's a lot, but it depends. Okay. Let's talk about for your first time. But anyway, that's what you do. And then I'd bring for how many tampons you have, liners. But I'm not gonna put any in there with that because I'm just gonna keep going with the video. Okay. So this is just gonna make everything really difficult now because I have. Well, I don't know if I just have to grab it down. Tampon and a pad mixer. I don't, there's somebody I know that is a vacuum user. Don't use these if you're, well, you can, but whatever. Okay. So I put, since you might want to be using tampons and pads at the same time, take 3 pads, okay? So I take your slipper, and what was it? Now, if you only want to bring this, bring 3 of them. I just have 1 in this, but I have more downstairs. So I put 3 in there. Yes. And then I just put like in a day worth of tampons in there. And I go through a lot. I don't even bother counting this. But let's go by my friends. So if you're at school, you're gonna think this is really crazy, but I put 2. 1 for the morning, and for lunch. Well, you could do 1 after school too, like 3. And then your parents will be there to catch everything. But if you have to change your tampon, do not change your pad because it's only gonna be a little bit. And if you don't want to use these, but you want to use others, put 3 to 7 layers in there. That would be that you guys are really comfortable, and then I just put those back in better. I used to use this kit for my hearing supplies because I carried a lot of products. Like I'd carry like all of these, except I'd carry one of each. But yeah, so that's what I would do. This is just for school. If you go anywhere else, then you can put one